What is going on, beautiful people? I am Chev. If you're new here, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Y'all, we are about to do a easy, quick, natural hairstyle. It's somewhat of a protective style. I'm not going to call it a full protective style, but it's somewhat of a protective style. But I wanted to make this style as quick and easy as possible, and also a little hair hack. So we'll be using this half wig from BetterLength.com, and this is their 3C4A texture curly Afro half wig, and I got this in 18 inches. It is such a beautiful full wig, and I can't wait to style it. So first thing that I did was cold wash the hair, and now we're going to define the coils. So I want to make sure that I am getting the best look from this hair, so I highly suggest you wash the hair before you install it. I always use mousse. Absolutely love mousse, and I love this mousse because it's not crunchy and it holds the curls in place. It doesn't make the curls frizzy. It is just everything, and I prefer this than using gel. Like I said, I just don't like the crunch. So we're just going to use mousse and a detangling brush, and we're just going to go section by section with this hair to do this. So you can do a finger coil if you want to, or just run your fingers through it all the way to the end. You can later on trim the hair if you need to, but as of now, I'm going to wait until I put the wig on. Now for this style, we're throwing it back. I actually got inspiration from my own self. Like, I'm like, what kind of style can we do? And then I remember this style that I did years ago, which is a crisscross style. And I'm like, yeah, this is for my girls that can't braid. I know I've been doing a little bit of braiding style, and you guys already know we started off on this channel with not knowing how to braid, so I can't leave my girls behind. So we are going to do an alternative to braiding, which I absolutely love, which is a crisscross style. So what I do is I section my hair in half first so that I can map out. So essentially it is about 4 crisscross styles going across, if that makes sense. If you need to slow down this part of the video just to see the mapping out of the crisscross that I did, but I promise you it's not too hard. Now I'm just going to leave out just a little section of my hair that I want to blend with the half wig. At first I wasn't going to have any hair out, which you still could because of how full this hair is in the front, but to give it like a supernatural look, I wanted to have the girls confused. Okay, I wanted them to think this was my hair. Okay, so I left out a little bit of hair. You don't need a lot. It's just enough to cover the middle section. So I'm just going to take my spray bottle with water. It's just plain water. And then I'm going to put some gel on my natural hair and do some finger coils. So the great thing about this is that even though my hair isn't the exact match to the half wig, but because of I'm using minimal leave out, it still gives a blend. Like, who is gonna tell me this isn't my hair? The length, especially, because you don't need to do this with super long hair. The length is what gets the mind blown with, like, oh my god, is she wearing her real hair? Is this a wig? Is this clip-ins? Have the girls confused because it's giving natural and real. So I did my edges with the She Bomb edge control. I told y'all, in real sun, this edge control do not hold for ish, but as of right now, we are in September. You know, it's not as hot as summer, so it holds up. And yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. I am obsessed with this style. This is for my girlies that can't braid. This is if you want a quick hairstyle for a vacation. Like, this is perfect if you want to save some coins, okay? Like, you literally just buy this wig, you have it all year round, and plus you do a quick and easy hairstyle. It's perfect for back to school. It's perfect for vacation. It's perfect for just the weekend. It's perfect for whenever, and you can redo it again and again. Let me know what you think about this style. And also, the hair is everything. It is so natural, no shedding whatsoever with this hair. It's movable. You can do a ponytail with it, half up, half down, flip over method. It is just the one, and you need this wig in your life. Let me know what you think about this unit. All the details will be in the description box down below, and I love y'all so much for watching. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.